Now I'll start with question number 8. It says find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP. So guess what is this question? Sum of 51 terms means that is S51. Whose second term means A2, 14. Third term R, that is A3 respectively as given. So second term is A2 and the third term is A3. Second term is 14 and the third term is 18. So I should find S15. First recall, to find S15 I have two formulas, that is first and second. In first formula also I need A and D. If I take second formula I need A51 and A. A also I don't know, A51 I don't know, D I don't know. So then how to proceed? So again take the given part. A2 equals to 14, expand it. As you know, A2 can be written as A plus 1D, that is 14. A3 equals to 18 can be written as A plus 2D equals to 18. So again we got two equations. What type of equations? Linear equations in two variables. What are the variables? A and D. So as we discussed the elimination method long back, so we'll continue with that method. Put together two equations and subtract. Why I have to subtract? Because A and A has same sign. So if I subtract, sign will change for the second equation so that I can eliminate. So AA gets eliminates. 2 minus 1 is 1D. 18 minus 14 is 4. So I got the common difference 4. He didn't ask in the question to find common difference, but still I am finding. Why? Because to find S51 I need DA. So I got D. Now substitute D in any one of the equation, your choice. So I am taking the second equation, A plus 1D equals to 14. That is A plus 4 equals to 14. A equals to 14 minus 4, that is 10. So I got A10 and common difference as 4. Now think which formula you want to take, second or first? Yes, first formula. Sn, n means 51, n by 2, that is 51 by 2, 2a, a is 10, n minus 1, 51 minus 1, d is 4. So every variable we know here, so we could find S51 now. So 2 tens are 20, 51 minus 1 is 50, 50 into 4 is 200, 200 plus 20 is 220. So cancel it, 2 1 tens are 220. So 51 into 110 is 5610. So we conclude sum of first 51 terms of AP is 5610. So the next question. If the sum of 7 terms of an AP is 49. Now recall, sum of 7 terms he told. Sum of 7th and means that is different again. Sum of 7 terms means S7 is 49. And that of 17 terms, nothing but same sentence will follow here. Sum of 17 terms, S17 is 289. Now find sum of n terms. So I think everyone are getting confusion. What is the sum of n terms? Means he is asking Sn. Again don't write Sn formula here because he is asking Sn. Don't write the formula Sn formula here. For this particular question, what is Sn? That we have to find. Again to find Sn we need A and D. So we don't know both here. So let me take the given part and start. S7. So recall the first formula only I am taking. 7 means what? N is what? 7. 7 by 2 into 2A plus 7 minus 1 into D equals to 49. So I have expanded S7 in this way. And I told 7 by 2 you can take inside the bracket if it is divisible, or else you can take two RHS and reciprocate, becomes 2 by 7. 7 7s are 49, 7 2s are 14. So I got one equation, 2A plus 6D equals to 14. So is it not a factor 2 in all the three? Yes. So I can divide it by 2. A plus 3D equal to 7. Why we have to do this? Because to simplify the equations. Otherwise again it will become very lengthy. So again he has given one more given part, that is S17 289. So S17 means what? n is 17. So expand Sn formula, that is first formula, n by 2, that is 17 by 2, 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d equal to 289. So again I am not taking this inside, so I am taking on RHS, it reciprocates, becomes 2 by 17. So could I can cancel 17 17s are 289, 17 2s are 34, 2a plus 16d equals to 34. Again 2 is a factor of all 2, 6, 34, so you can take 2 common. A plus 8d equals to 17, that is you can divide throughout the equation by 2. So I got equation 1 and I got equation 2. Again you can go for elimination method. Put together, eliminate by subtracting a. So we get minus 5d equals to minus 10d. So I got d equals to 10 by 5, that is 2. So I got d as 2. Now substitute d equals to 2 in any one of the equation. So I took first one equation, a plus 3d equal to 7. A plus 3 into 2 equal to 7, a plus 6 equal to 7, a equal to 7 minus 6, so a equal to 1. So I got a and I got common difference as 2. D is 2 and a is 1. What we do with this? So we have to find Sn. So let me start. Sn formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know n, keep n as it is. We know a and d, substitute. A as 1 plus n minus 1 into d is 2. So what I can do here, children, 2 ones are 2. Multiply this full bracket with 2. 2 into n, 2n. Minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 2 plus 2 gets cancels. So we got 2n in the bracket. Outside the bracket you have n by 2. So n by 2, remove the bracket, you get into. 2 gets cancelled. N into n is what? N square. So we got Sn as n square. This itself is the answer. You can check it out. How you can check? He has given in the question S7 is 49. So let me substitute in my answer n as 7. S7 equal to 7 square. 7 square is what? 49. So your answer is correct. One more, he has given S17 is 289. So again substitute S17. 17 square is what? 289. So I can tell that what I got the answer is correct. We can verify. Not necessary to verify in the exam. But you feel that this is what is this Sn? Sn formula is different. This formula is different. This is not a formula, children. This is Sn for this particular question what he has given. Okay, understood? I hope everyone understood. Thank you.